Hello and welcome to a very quick training for DukeFPDC for our eBuilder software, which is now named Trimble Unity Construct. This is just a really quick example on how to log into eBuilder. First, you will navigate to the same address you see on the screen up here at the top. It's going to be app.e/builder.net right here. And then you will see this screen pop up. It does look a little bit different if you have not been in the system for probably 3 or 4 months or more. This all was changed over the fall of 2024 to this new Trimble Unity Construct view. You're going to use your username to log in. I'm going to actually use our Construction Risk Audit Assessment login, and you're going to put in your password, and then you're going to hit login. Again, if you've forgotten your password, you can use this forgot password link to get it sent to you. Or you could also reach out to me, val.bailey@duke.edu, to have a reset email sent to you. That's it. Now you're logged into the system and you can navigate to whatever module up top that you need to do your changes to your projects. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.